Okay, guinea pigs, be quiet. Just eat your, what do guinea pigs eat?
Hay.
They don't eat hay.
Lettuce.
Like,
Snails.
yep, we've got horses and guinea pigs feeding at the trough today. Guinea pigs eat seeds,
They eat whatever they eat.
grass, they eat whatever you throw in there, don't they? Okay, all right, here we go, guinea pigs. Exploring polyhedrons. Now, we talked about it just a second ago, but let's go through it. The solid figures below, we've got 4 of them, have polygons as sides, okay? Such figures are called polyhedrons. Remember, a polygon is a shape, a closed shape with straight lines, okay? A polyhedron is made up of polygons. It's a solid figure, like a soccer ball is made up of hexagons and pentagons, okay? Now, 2 common types of polyhedrons are prisms and pyramids. Now, you'll notice the difference. A prism, it has the same shape on the bottom as it does on the top. This one has a triangle on the bottom and has a triangle on the top. That's what a prism is. Pyramids have a polygon on the bottom, but they go up to a single point. Okay? That's the difference between prisms and pyramids. Notice that the prisms and pyramids shown below have either rectangular or triangular bases. Now, polyhedrons are named by their number of sides. A triangular pyramid, that's this one. I'll let the red be the base. And now, that's one face, that's another face, and then there's one in the back there. So it has a total of 4 sides. Okay? This is called a tetrahedron. A triangular prism, that's this one, and a rectangular pyramid, that one, are pentahedrons because they both have 5 sides. Penta means 5, right? Pentagon is a 5-sided figure. Okay? The rectangular prism has 6 sides, bless you, and is a hexahedron. A polyhedron with 8 sides is called an octahedron. Does everybody get that sense? Now, you're not going to need to memorize all of that, okay? So just relax. But I want you to understand that the number of faces on one of these solids gives it a name, okay? Now, let's move down here to example number 1, okay? The photograph at the left is of San Francisco, downtown San Francisco. Describe the shapes of the building. By the way, this building right here, this big pyramid, is called the Trans-American Building. I used to work about right here. I taught at a school in this area called Grace Cathedral. I used to live in San Francisco. Yeah?
The Giants.
I do like the Giants, but I'm a bigger Rangers fan. Now, let's see. Here's what we've got here. We're just looking at the downtown. Let's see. Do you see that these things are called irregular polyhedrons? Okay? And this one over here, that third one, because they don't really follow, they're sort of like 2 solids on top of each other, right? This looks like a rectangular prism, right? And then on top it looks like a rectangular pyramid that's been lopped off, right? It didn't go all the way up to a point. Do you see what I'm saying? It's almost like there are 2 solids on top of each other. So we'll call that an irregular polyhedron. Do you see the same thing for this one? And for that one. But let's look at the Transamerica Building. It doesn't really look just like this. Down at the bottom, I mean, it has a walkway down here and people walk underneath stuff, okay? But let's just say that it looks just like that. Is it a pyramid or is it a prism? Raise your hand. Pyramid or prism? What do you think, Abe?
Pyramid.
It's a pyramid because it has a rectangular base, right? You can't see it, but it looks like that. And it goes up to a point. That's going to be a pyramid. Okay? Now, this is a rectangular pyramid. What type of polyhedron is it? And I have it written up there. How many faces does it have? How many faces does it have, Elizabeth? Not 3. It has 1, 2, it has 1 on that side, and then 1 around the back. That's 4. And then on the bottom, 5. So that one's called a pentahedron. Penta meaning 5. Everybody got that? Good.